Hi guys, welcome back to Lola's channel. Today we're gonna show you guys how to do some face painting. Are you guys ready? Alright, let's go. I forwarded some of these clips and made it a little faster so the video will keep interesting to watch. Check it out guys. So first we start off with some black outline. Then you want to fill in with colors after, as you can see. So we're going to continue on and adding borders and fill in, adding borders and fill in. Now as you can see, we're also beginners at this, but it's so easy to do. I think anyone can do this. Some of the tips and tricks, as we practiced, we learned that we could have used a thicker brush when we filled in colors. Can you guess what character this is? Comment below. As you can see here, this is what we were talking about. You could probably use a little thicker brush, so it'll reduce the time it takes for you to fill in the colors. So were you able to guess what character this is yet? Keep watching, then you'll find out. Ooh, I see it. The shape is coming together. Look at little Mateo. Ooh, yes, that's right. It's Batman. Do you see how cute that Batman is? So now that we got the whole black color filled in, which is the majority of the face painting, now we're gonna add some other colors to accent the rest of the face. As you can see, really anybody can just take a little practice and become a face painting artist. It's so fun and easy to do, and the kids love it. They have so much fun being in character. Okay, now let's add a little bit of sunlight and shadows. Gets it a little contrast, and Mateo gives it a thumbs up. Check it out. That's Batman. Okay, up next is Lola. Of course, Lola's gonna be in here because this is Lola's channel. So let's see what character she's gonna be today. Alright, we're gonna start right now. Anybody can guess already? No way, not that soon, right? So let's see what superhero she's gonna be today. Keep watching, guys. At the end of the video, we're gonna show you the paint that we used, and we'll also add a link in the description of the video, so that way you know what we used when we purchased to do this face painting. Again, it was super easy to do, super easy to learn, just a little patience, just a little practice, and it works. Can you guys guess who she is now? That's right, it's gonna be Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. Do you see the star in the middle? And Lola's getting her colors filled in right now. Lola loves being Wonder Woman. She's gonna grow up and do some wonderful things. And she's looking at herself right there. Look at that. Wow. Wonder Woman. she's so happy. Look at that look. And she's trying to show it off to her friends. With a smile. Thumbs up. She approves. See that? And a kiss. Yep, she approves. Up next again, it's Mateo. Mateo wants to do one more character for you guys today. So let's see what's happening next. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. By the way, this next superhero is Mateo's favorite character. Can you guess who it is yet? Ooh, he's getting his colors filled in. Can we guess, my friends? Can we guess who it is? Look at that. I'm so excited. He actually looks like he has goggles on, like he's gonna go snorkel, but no, that's not what it is. He's not snorkeling. And no, that red paint's not blood. It's his character. Can you guess who it is? You will soon find out in the next clip or two. So exciting. Look at that. And the red filled in already. Let's see what happens next. And Mateo didn't want to stay still. He wants to move around and move around a little bit. So depending on the child, sometimes it takes a little bit of patience to keep them still. Can you guess what superhero this is yet? You should already, because we're almost done. That's right. Did you guess? That's right. It's gonna be Spider-Man. Spider-Man is Mateo's favorite superhero. He carries him around all day long. Oh, look at that. He even brought his Spider-Man along. Now he's in character. He's gonna go spray some web, shoot some web, and save the day. You ready? He shrugs. Mateo gives it a thumbs up, and he approves. And his Spider-Man is also looking at the screen and says, approve. Ha 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 ha. Okay guys, Mateo's saying bye. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe Lola's channel, and give it a thumbs up. And here we have the CC Beauty face painting color that we use. Again, it will be in the link in the description area. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.